the Trump administration informed a federal judge on Saturday that Kilmar Abrigo Garcia, a Maryland resident mistakenly deported last month, remains in a notorious prison in El Salvador. However, the government's filing did not address the judge's request for details on what steps are being taken to return Abrigo Garcia to the United States. The government only stated that the 29-year-old is under the authority of the Salvadoran government. Michael G. Kozak, identified as a senior bureau official in the State Department's Bureau of Western Hemisphere Affairs, confirmed Abrigo Garcia's location to the court. This filing followed a hearing where a U.S. government attorney struggled to provide U.S. District Judge Paula Zinnes with information about Abrigo Garcia's whereabouts. The U.S. Supreme Court had ruled that the Trump administration must bring him back. Judge Zinnes issued an order requiring the administration to disclose Abrigo Garcia's current physical location and custodial status, as well as what steps, if any, are being taken to facilitate his return. Kozak's statement confirmed that Abrigo Garcia is being held in the Terrorism Confinement Center in El Salvador and is alive and secure there. However, it did not address the judge's other requirements. Judge Zinnes expressed frustration with the government's lack of information, asking repeatedly, "Where is he and under whose authority?" She emphasized that she was not asking for state secrets, but wanted to know why he was not in the United States when the government was prohibited from sending him to El Salvador. Drew Ensign, a deputy assistant attorney general, admitted he had no personal knowledge of any actions or plans to return Abrigo Garcia, but assured the judge that the government was actively considering possible actions. He mentioned that Abrigo Garcia's case involved coordination among 3 cabinet agencies. Before concluding the hearing, Judge Zinnes ordered daily status updates on plans to return Abrigo Garcia. The Justice Department did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Abrigo Garcia has lived in the U.S. for approximately 14 years, during which he worked in construction, got married, and was raising 3 children with disabilities. If returned, he will face allegations from 2019 by local police in Maryland, accusing him of being an MS-13 gang member. Abrigo Garcia denied these allegations and was never charged with a crime. His attorneys stated that a U.S. immigration judge had previously protected him from deportation due to potential persecution by local gangs in El Salvador. Despite this protection, the Trump administration deported him last month, later describing it as an administrative error while still insisting on his alleged gang affiliation.